This is Project Midnight, an E.C.D custom EV Gen 2 Defender 90 soft top, finished to our client's exact specification. Midnight is painted full gloss Narvik black with black accents. Midnight sits on 18-inch Kahn 1983 wheels with BFG All-Terrain Tires. This D90 features a multi-point soft top, classic front bumper, E.C.D custom steering guard, wide body kit and a NAS-style rear bumper. Inside, Midnight features a NARDI Challenge steering wheel with E.C.D Electric Set Gauges, 2 Recaro Orthoped front seats and 2 forward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a single vertical diamond Spinneybeck Volo black leather, stitched together in black. Project Midnight is powered by our second generation E.C.D EV drivetrain. This D90 soft top features an array of modern elements such as JL audio sound, Apple CarPlay, rear AC and access to USB charging ports throughout.